Now about this next phylum Moluska. Mainly this Moluska family is for what soft body animal, and this phylum consists of many species and number. So it is a second largest phylum after Arthropoda. Actually, in this phylum, mostly of the species are marine, and it is highly developed than previous phylum, and we can say that this phylum consists of mainly get what direct or indirect development both. And let's continue our lecture. So now number of species here, this second largest phylum I have said you, Moluska second largest phylum. For the first is Arthropoda. Same the term, you should remember this Johnston. Now study is called as malacology. Now study of shell. Now molluscan phylum animal body have cells. So the cells study in mollusca is known as what? Conchology. Mainly mostly are what? Marine. So M for marine mostly, and few are freshwater and terrestrial also here include. And bilaterally symmetrical, that is the trend. Now this symmetrical except features except what? Gastropoda not bilaterally symmetrical due to torsion, which is what? Asymmetrical twisting. Or again we will continue. Now body is unsegmented except neoplena, which is what? Segmented body. Mainly body is what? Unsegmented, but in the neoplena it is segmented, so it is known as what? Primitive mollusca, and consists as living fossils. So in evolution topic we have covered living fossils and connecting links, so you should have remembered there. Now blood circulatory system is here open type. In in Annelida it was closed type, but in here it is open type except in cuttlefish. Here exception occur in cuttlefish where it tendency to become what? Closed. Cuttlefish closed. C for cuttlefish, C for closed. So bird is covered with a skin fold that is called mantle. Mantle has contains cell gland, so cell is found in here for protection. And the cell contain calcareous spicules, is made of CaCO3. So here is given cell is made of calcium carbonate and support their soft tissues. So mental cavity is also present in the body that contain a pulmonary sac. This phylum contain kidney too. This will later come. In unio, oldest and thickest part of the cell. In unio, the cell is known as umbo. And body single layer consists of ciliated epidermis, and body has three general region: head, foot, and visceral hump. So head, foot, and visceral hump, we can divide their body of this phylum animal. Now the head bear mouth sense organ, muscular foot for what? Locomotion. Here muscular foot is given for locomotion. And crawling in a snake body in squid. Tentacles in what? In a squid. You should remember this, in a squid tentacles. Now it has got visceral organ, digestive tract. Now mantle is glandular fold known as biliary cavity. Digestive system is complete here. It has got what? Teeth also, that is called radula, that is 7 in number. And body blood with amoebocyte cell. Respiratory pigment is here copper, so that is known as hemocyanin, because blue in color, so copper is like blue in color and called as hemocyanin. And respiratory organ is here gills or ctenidia. This ctenidia is the main point to remember here. gills or tinidia, and pulmonary sac also. And here given that kidney is for excretion or organ of bodymus. This is also important. Or Krebs gland, you can also say. Now in green gland, that is known as what, digestive gland. So green gland is analogous to liver because same function like liver it does. Analogous organ means that different origin but what, same function. In evolution topic we have covered this. Now nervous system is paired ganglia with connective. Now nervous system is also complete ladder like. Now sense organ here include eyes, statocyst, tentacles, osphadia, and lithocyst. This type of sense organs occur. So let's continue to all this. Now eye include, so I we can say that simple eye occur. Now statocyst is for maintaining body equilibrium like cerebellum for body equilibrium in man. Osphadia is for checking the chemical nature of water, that's called chemoreceptor. Next feature is reproduction, that is sexual dioecious or monoecious. Fertilization here occur by oviparous means egg laying, or viviparous too means inside mother's feed. Now so here direct or indirect both. So larva stage occur here trochophore like in Annelida, veliger or glochidium. This is three type of larva name. Now veliger is larva for pelycopods, pelycypods. Now glochidium is ectoparasite, attach itself in the gills of fish, which gives metamorphosis. Now classification of mollusca. So it has got classes on the basis of their body, mental cavity and body parts, foot, sita, mental cavity type. So it has got how many class? 7 class I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, seven classification here given. Now first class is Placophora. In Placophora, secret aragonite or calcareous spicules or scales. In this cells and foot both is absent. Now example is Cheptoderma and Lepioderminia. This is two more important example. Now other is Monoplacophora. In Monoplacophora we have most primitive characters like Annelida. Larva is also like Annelida. No, so you can have easily access to remember. Now mollusca have segmented internally segmented only, but in Annelida both internally and externally segmented, so called as metamerism or annuli type. So cell is single cap and foot is flat here, both present. So example here, this is primitive type. So living fossil and connecting link from Annelida and mollusca occur here, that is Neoplena on Monocophora. Now other class, third class is Polyplacophora. Polyplacophora consists of chitons and which contain of 8 piece of shell and foot and muscular leg, I think. Okay, muscular foot here present. So example is chiton. Now gastropoda is other class. So in this have visceral mass, mental cavity is 90 degree or 180 degree rotation, that is called torsion. Now cell is single piece, usually spirally coiled. Foot is flat, large and highly muscular, both present. Now example is pilla means apple snail, helix means guarded slug, and turbinella is sunk, and aplysia is sea hare. We have also other phylum like Scaphopoda. and this is for tooth cell, means tooth for cutting tusk cell, and here foot adapted for digging too. Tooth is for so here example is a dentalium elephant tusk. Now other pelicopoda or bivalvia. In this cell have two valves, so bivalva, and foot laterally compressed, usually without cell, mostly filter feeding, and usually dioecious, and larva is glycodium, means waterly occur. Now unio freshwater mussel, and terido, this is also important name, sheepworm terido, and this vulgaris pear oyster that destroy what pears. Now cephalopoda include exclusively marine and carnivorous. In this only marine organism animal involved in this class, cephalopoda. So here cell present, that is internal or absent or external too. So cell absent in octopus and cell internal in sepia. These two is what most important. Now foot located on head hair, and ink gland occur here for offense and defense. Now cuttlefish or sepia is example, devilfish or octopus. Now loligo squid. Now read and digest. Now here ink gland is present in cephalopod, especially sepia for offense and defense in phylum Cephalopoda, you should remember. Now a smoke screen is used from the sepia. Archaepedia. Now giant Atlantic squid is this Archaetulistus. Now cephalopoda is siphonopoda for locomotion, expelling jet through siphon jet. Now siphon jet in cephalopoda. You should remember this siphon jet system is located in cephalopoda class. Now for the point we have cephalopoda has most specialized mollusca due to siphon jet engine, and also what for protection cells. Torido sheepworm that destroyed the sheep in seawater. Now Pictida vulgaris pear oyster, this is important, that this cause irritation to animal that makes pear. Father pear industry is Mikimoto from Japan. Pear is made of conchoilin and conviolin. Gastropoda digest and most varied molluscan class. Now Glyopodium larva in Unio, you can remember G, Unio G, UNIO, Unio and G, you should remember this. Now green gland is a digestive gland in Unio that occur to the comparable to the liver in vertebrates or mammals. In a snail, mental cavity fused to torsion. Zamarpilia is estivation. Cephalopoda without cell is octopus, and devilfish means octopus is known as devilfish that has 8 arms. Clyona is detrimental to pear industry. Clyona is belong from which phylum? Now Polyplacophora. Now Glochidium and Viligia both are larval of bivalvia. Cilia of gills of bivalvia feeding. Now eye of cephalopods ground durable to vertebrate side. Unio is what? Filters feeder, and cell is internal in loligo. No, Impuniura mollusca is chiton. Dentalium is commonly known as elephant tusk shell. Cephalopoda has modified mental cavity for water. Now, only invertebrates which possess kidney is mollusca, because in mollusca we have what kidney for excretory organ. It is like developed than others else.